throughout our news. Now we move on. A U.S. appeals court has upheld a temporary ban on federal immigration arrests in Los Angeles without probable cause. The court rejected the Trump administration's request to pause the order, stating that arrests based on appearance, language, or location likely violated constitutional rights. This comes as earlier protests against immigration raids had taken place in Los Angeles after ICE officials had raided several city locations to arrest individuals allegedly involved in illegal immigration to the United States. The American Civil Liberties Union and several Southern California cities had sued federal agents, accusing them of racial profiling and unlawful tactics. The court agreed blocking arrests based solely on race, ethnicity, or speaking Spanish. Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass called the ruling a victory, while the ACLU said it confirmed the administration's actions were unconstitutional. Now we're joined by Dr. Vipul Saxena. He's a geopolitical expert, joins us live from New Delhi. Thank you, Dr. Vipul, for joining us today. Welcome to NewsX World. So now the court's decision directly challenges tactics used by federal agents during recent raids. So how might this ruling affect federal immigration policy and the future approach to enforcement in cities like Los Angeles?
I think what U.S. administration currently doing is something which is not within the framework of immigration laws, because so far people have been having freedom of expression, and which has not been prohibited or any kind of embargo in the immigration policy. So under the banner of immigration laws, such orders cannot be passed, and that is what has been upheld by the lower court and also the higher court. So I think sometime U.S. administration will have to think about it, that just because people staying in the U.S., if they're talking something against the government policy or against government actions, they just can't throw them out of the country, or they can't raid on the immigration part. Unless they have broken the immigration rule, yes, then you have a right to they take whatever action within the framework of law. But just because somebody has posted something on a social media against the current administration's policy or actions, you cannot go around hunting them on the grounds of immigration.
And thank you, Dr. Vipul Saxena, for sharing that. Please stay with us as we come back to you all for our next discussion. Now,